Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying 3 essentials: power, account, and location. First, make sure your phone or laptop is on and has an active internet connection. Without that, tracking cannot begin. Next, sign into the same account you'll use to find the device, Google, Apple, or Microsoft, because the service links to that account. Once done, enable location services and device visibility in settings so the system can report a position immediately. This is the step that allows tracking to work. You now open the appropriate Find My tool for your ecosystem and sign in if required. Select the device from your account's device list, then request a fresh location. The service pings the device and returns coordinates or a map. If the device is nearby, choose Ring to help locate it by sound. If it's lost or at risk, use Remote Lock and display a contact message. These actions prevent access and increase chances of recovery, while the location data updates in real time. You finish by using the map to navigate to the last known location, exercising caution and following local safety rules when retrieving a device. If the device is offline, enable Lost Mode or mark as lost so the phone will report when it reconnects, and check the portal periodically for updates. If nothing appears, troubleshoot by confirming the device is signed into your account, that location services and background data are enabled, and that the device has network access. These fix most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.